SEO for Beginners Training Module 1.3. Yoast SEO for WordPress. In this lesson, we'll give you a brief overview of what the Yoast SEO plugin does. We'll talk to you about the functionalities of the free version of the plugin, and after that, we'll discuss the features of Yoast SEO Premium. We'll also explain what the plugin can't do, and therefore, you should do yourself. Finally, we'll give you a few possible reasons why your site may not rank, even though you have optimized it with Yoast SEO. What does Yoast SEO do? Suppose you know nothing about SEO, but you have heard about this little gem called Yoast SEO. People have told you that it is a very convenient tool to optimize your site and its pages for Google, Bing, and Yandex. It's effortless. You want to use it. You install the Yoast SEO plugin and simply follow the advice given in that plugin. Within a week, your website will be topping the charts in Google. Or not. No, to be honest, it's not that simple. Our plugin helps you to optimize your website for search engines. And it does that well, but it needs your input. Key features of the Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast SEO makes working on your SEO easy. We aim to help you with it step by step. Let's discuss the essential features of the Yoast SEO plugin. Key phrase optimization. Key phrase optimization is our most important feature. It enables you to optimize a post or a page for a specific key phrase or keyword. You can insert the focus key phrase you want to optimize for, and the plugin tells you if you have used that focus key phrase the right way in that specific post. Keep in mind that the focus key phrase does not give any information to Google. It's just meant to help you create a post that is well written and optimized for search engines.
Focus keyframes. Get related keyframes.
Get related key phrases. In image 1, there is a button below the focus key phrase input field that says, Get related key phrases. What is that? It's a fantastic feature we built together with SEMrush. To use it, you will need a SEMrush account that you connect to Yoast SEO in a few simple steps. Then, you will get a wealth of information on related key phrases to your focus key phrase right from the post editor, image 2. For example, you can see the average number of monthly searches for the related key phrase over the last 12 months, volume, or the interest of searchers in the related key phrase over the previous 12 months, trends. And you can even choose the country and the language you want to see results for.
The related key phrase over window in the post editor.
Readability analysis. Writing readable blog posts is an essential part of every SEO strategy, so we also provide a convenient readability analysis for you. The readability analysis gives you advice on how to make your copy not only easily readable for your audience, but for Google as well.
Readability analysis.
Google Preview. The Yoast SEO plugin comes with a handy Google Preview, which will show you what your page will look like in the Google search results. It shows you a preview of the page title and meta description and allows you to optimize them per individual page or post. Structured data. Schema structured data drives many of the rich results you see in search results. With structured data, you give search engines insights into how your pages are built and how you describe your content. Since the 11.0 release, Yoast SEO builds a full structured data graph for every post or page on your site. A graph is a complete piece of structured data with well-defined connections to all the different parts. Search engines now not only know what all the parts mean but also how they fit together. As a result, you have more chances to get rich results for your content. Structured data blocks. The block editor in WordPress lets us develop awesome tools that help you improve content with ease. One of our innovations is the structured data content block. These blocks do two things. They help you build specific pieces of content without breaking a sweat. In addition, they automatically add the structured data that you need to get rich results in search engines. Currently, you can create how-to pages, as well as FAQ pages easily, by using the Yoast SEO how-to or FAQ structured data blocks. Speed boost. Thanks to an approach we call indexables, Yoast SEO brings you a much faster experience. The first notable feature of indexables is a speed boost of 5 to 10%. Your entire site will load faster. Of course, this depends on various elements, like the type of site, the number of plugins installed, the hosting provider, etc. This kind of speed boost is not only good for you, your visitors, and your site in general, but also for search engines. Search engines have been advocating faster sites for a while now, and with Yoast SEO can help you speed up your site as well. Breadcrumbs. Our plugin gives you full control over your breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are the links, usually above the title post, that look like this: Home SEO, Blog Content SEO. They allow users to easily navigate your site and make it easier for search engines to determine your site's structure.
Breadcrumbs Image 5.
Canonical URLs. Another cool feature in Yoast SEO enables you to set canonical URLs. The same content on your site may be available on various URLs. To avoid confusing Google and the user, you can tell search engines which URL you want Google to index. Technical configuration. Yoast SEO also handles the technical configuration of your site for search engines. For example, our plugin takes care of robots.txt, the .access files, clean permalink URLs and XML sitemaps. Key features of the Yoast SEO Premium plugin. We've seen that the free version of Yoast SEO is already awesome, so why should you buy Yoast SEO Premium? If you're really serious about SEO, this is the plugin you should have. We'll discuss the most important features you'll get when you buy the premium version. Word forms. The premium plugin recognizes several types of word forms, like singulars, plurals, comparatives, and past tense. This makes the analysis that much stronger, as it now takes the different forms you use into account. For example, words like books, booking, booked, are all recognized as forms of book.word forms. Recognition is available in English, Dutch, German, French, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, and Indonesian. Synonyms. There's no more need to repeatedly use your key phrase throughout the text too much, as you can now use synonyms. If you're optimizing for ballet shoes, just add dancing shoes to its synonyms in Yoast SEO, and the plugin will consider those synonyms in its analysis. The recognition of synonyms and word forms helps you write readable, understandable, and findable. Social previews. With Yoast SEO Premium, you can check what your post will look like on Facebook or Twitter without even going to these platforms. While working on your post, you can just go to the Yoast SEO meta box or sidebar, upload the image you'd like to show, and preview it to make sure it looks like you want it to.
Image 5, 6, social previews.
Related key phrases. With the free version of our plugin, you can choose one focus key phrase to optimize your text for. However, it might help to make your post or page rank for that focus key phrase by strengthening it with other, closely related topics. In Yoast SEO Premium, you can add up to 4 related key phrases. Use them, as Google is getting better at recognizing relationships between words and topics. In addition, with the Get Related Key Phrase feature we developed with SEMrush, you can automatically add additional key phrases to your analysis. Internal Linking Tool. With our internal linking tool, it's super easy to link to related posts. The tool shows you which posts are related to the one you're working on, so you can easily structure your content. This way, you can show both Google and your users which posts are related and which are most important.
Internal linking suggestions. To improve your site structure, consider linking to other relevant posts or pages on your website. Read our guide on internal linking for SEO to learn more. Blogging, the ultimate guide. Cornerstone post. Blogging category. Increase blog engagement 8 tips to boost shares and comments. Post. How to get blog post idea 11 tips to find inspiration. Image 7 internal linking tool.
Internal linking blocks. Yoast SEO Premium features 4 premium blocks that make internal linking even easier. Using your website's hierarchical structure, you can link your pages together with the subpages block, the siblings block, and the related links block. In addition, you can add structure to your posts and pages with the table of contents block. Content Insights. Yoast SEO Premium tells you the words or word combinations that appear most often in your text. Use this feature to check if your text is optimized for the right key phrases. You may get valuable insights when a different word keeps popping up, or you could notice a new combination of words.
Image 8 Content Insights.
Redirect Manager. When expanding your site, you're bound to run into cases where you're deleting pages, moving pages, changing URLs for categories, etc. All these changes can cause problems when you're not properly redirecting the old URLs to new ones. Our Redirect Manager can help you solve all these issues and more. Ad-free. Last but not least, the premium version of Yoast SEO is completely ad-free. Support. When you buy Yoast SEO Premium, you get access to our awesome support team. This means you can send us an email at any time with questions about the setup and basic use of the plugin. What can't Yoast SEO do? What should I do? Our plugin helps you to optimize your website for search engines. And it does that well, but it needs your input. So, what are the things you should do yourself in order to optimize your site for search engines? 1. The first thing you need to do is configure the plugin in the right way. The settings should be in line with your website. The Configuration Wizard helps you to easily configure your site to have the optimal SEO settings. 2. In addition, you should execute key phrase research. This is the most important part of your SEO strategy because you should optimize your site for the right words. You need to get inside your audience's heads to find out which words people are searching for. Next, you should know your competition and estimate your chances to rank, because if you're optimizing for a really competitive term, you won't get any traffic. 3. You should write awesome content. This is not something we can do for you, this has to be done manually. However, the plugin helps you to write SEO-friendly and readable texts by carrying out content and readability analyses. You can use the results of these analyses to make sure your text is well optimized for search engines. In addition, we have also written a lot of blog posts about content writing, and you can follow our SEO copywriting training. For it's very important to establish your internal linking structure, because this helps Google understand your website. Yoast SEO can help you with the internal linking feature, but you have to do this yourself. 5. An important part of your SEO strategy should be your social strategy. Yoast SEO can help you make those posts on Facebook look good, but you still have to write the content and hit that button. 6. The same goes for the redirects. Yoast SEO can help you detect errors and automatically presents you the most common options of solving them. It can even fix the easiest ones. However, in most cases, you still have to choose and select the one you prefer. As you have seen, most of the technical stuff in the background is taken care of automatically. However, there are a few things our plugin cannot do for you, it needs your input. But we still try to help you with that, with our courses and blog posts. I've optimized my site with Yoast SEO, so why am I not ranking? The Yoast SEO plugin helps you to optimize your site and its pages easily. This could definitely result in higher rankings. But unfortunately, green bullets do not magically put you on top of the search results. We'll discuss 2 possible reasons why a post doesn't rank, even though it has been optimized with Yoast SEO. Too much competition. In most cases, the reason a post doesn't rank on top is that there's simply too much competition. If you optimize your blog post for Justin Bieber, chances are high you won't rank for that term. Too many sites and blog posts have established themselves in this niche. Your site doesn't have the authority that some other sites do have, and a large portion of the other sites in this niche is probably also capable of writing SEO-friendly texts. If you really want to rank for those highly competitive terms, you should try a long-tail key phrase strategy. Blog about all the nuances and little variations around the competitive key phrases. If these long-tail articles start ranking, you'll be able to rank for more competitive terms as well. Such a strategy requires long-term efforts, but in the end, it will pay off. A lack of patience. At Yoast, we propose a holistic SEO strategy, in which you have to be the best result. When you're just starting out, you're probably not the best result yet. Unfortunately, SEO is a long-term strategy. You just need to have a little patience. Try to focus on all aspects of website optimization. Try to be that best result. It will pay off eventually. Conclusion. In this lesson, we've talked about the features of the Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. You've seen that the free version features are already awesome, but when you buy Yoast SEO Premium, you get even more. If you're serious about SEO, features like multiple focus key phrase optimization, breadcrumbs, the internal linking tool, and the redirect manager will save you a lot of time. But remember, the plugin cannot do everything for you. It needs your input.